A mobile masterpiece, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome redefines performance, luxury, and style while traveling. Its modern, aerodynamic, and streamlined design lines, likely taken from the most current Sprinter, instantly project the high-end image that Mercedes-Benz is renowned for. Its sleek body and big panoramic windows offer an unparalleled internal visual experience, while its distinctive front fascia with massive grille and multifunction LED lighting gives it a commanding presence. An effective and potent 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, OM654, powers the RV. It is mated to a smooth 9G Tronic automatic transmission, which guarantees a swift and comfortable ride in a range of road conditions. There will probably be a variety of power levels available, such as 170 PS, 125 kilowatts, with 400 Newton-meters of torque, or even 190 PS, 140 kilowatts, for more performance. For more adaptability, all-wheel drive, AWD, or rear-wheel drive, RWD, is an option. Upon entering the driver's compartment, you are greeted by a sophisticated and well-designed cockpit. A large and fully integrated MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, display is anticipated to be part of the dashboard of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Another option is to integrate two large digital panels into a single device, with one acting as the instrument cluster and the other as the entertainment and control center. The driver will have instant access to a range of vehicle and motorhome functions using straightforward touch or voice commands. Fine wood, leather, and metal accents will be used to embellish this area, giving it an affluent feel consistent with the Mercedes-Benz brand. As we enter, we discover that the interior of this RV is the perfect balance of style and functionality. The living area's cleverly flexible structure, which may incorporate an electric slide-out feature that may extend the space when stopped, creates a spacious and comfortable environment for relaxing or socializing. High-end leather sofas and chairs offer the utmost in comfort, while adjustable LED ambient lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large windows with motorized blinds provide breathtaking views of the outside world while maintaining privacy. The bedroom area is designed to be a cozy and tranquil retreat. You may expect a queen or king-sized bed with luxurious bedding and a quality mattress. A spacious built-in closet with drawers and hanging space will help you keep everything organized. Individual lighting, USB charging ports, and perhaps a hidden flat-screen TV will make every night seem like a five-star hotel stay. The restroom in this RV is a private sanctuary. Unlike conventional RVs, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome will include a spacious bathroom with upscale facilities. A separate glass shower with strong water pressure, a modern porcelain toilet, and an elegant sink with premium granite are all present. Features like LED-lit mirrors, smart storage cabinets, and efficient ventilation will make this area more comfortable and functional. The centerpiece of this luxurious RV is the kitchen, which was created to meet the needs of the gourmet. It features high-quality equipment such as a refrigerator, freezer, microwave, convection oven, induction cooktop, and maybe a small dishwasher. High-quality materials, like quartz countertops, are easy to maintain and have a classy appearance. You can prepare delicious meals wherever you go thanks to ergonomically designed cabinets that offer plenty of space for storing groceries and equipment.